y'all, today I'm installing a wig from I Like Hair, and this is their packaging. Inside of the packaging we have a few goodies to help you with installing your wig. So the first thing is this little package. It comes with an elastic band in the inside, a edge brush, and a clip. We also have a rat tail comb, and of course you can't install a wig without a good wig cap. The start of the show, here is the wig. This is what it looks like coming straight out of the packaging. And can we just give a round of applause for the style staying intact even through the delivery service. So it tells you that they packaged the wig up really good. So here is a close-up of the front of the hairline. You can see we have some natural edges. It also has these pretty styled waves in them like this. If you have a wave flat iron in your hair tools, that would be a good one to use to just kind of restyle the hair. Now mine comes with a middle part, so we're gonna leave it with the middle part with the install today. And then you can see the inside, it has been pre-bleached. The lace is pre-cut, and the hairline is also tucked out and thin. You do have a closure setting to work with, so if you're not a center part person, you can make it into a side part. This one has combs in it. There's 2 on the sides. You also have 1 in the back, and then you also have an adjustable elastic band, and then you also have adjustable bands in the back. So plenty of security built into the wig when you get it. Since it has the combs and the elastic band and the adjustable bands, I'm going to install this wig completely glueless today. It is on the shorter bob era side, so if you're looking for a short bob to wear this winter season coming up, this might be one for you. So let's get it installed. So I'm going to use the wig caps that they gave me, and then we also have this melt band here. So this isn't bad for a wig that you just took out of the packaging and put on. And I'm going to have to do is, there's this little bit of extra lace right here that I'll need to cut off, and then I'm going to kind of style the front edges just a little bit, and then probably use my hot comb right in here just to make it kind of lay just a little bit more flat. But I like the style and I like the length. To confirm, it is a 10-inch wig. A little bit of mousse to kind of tame the edges just a little bit, because I still want them to keep their natural texture, but I want them to kind of have some direction. Now we have a little bit of bronzer, and I'm just going to put that right around the hairline. Now you wishing you was with me, living life so true. Even on your friend that I was cool with, they don't know that you be on that bullshit. Even though they didn't think that I was stupid, you did. But I ain't tripping, just don't push it. It's cool, I'ma focus on my vision. Cause you only get one pass and you used it. You used it, amusement. So funny how you used to flex, how'd you lose it? So stupid, and it's so amusing. Your effort is so useless, and now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Ain't no need to waste your time. Alright guys, here is the finished look of the install. So the wig is installed completely glueless. You can see as I lift it up here, there's no glue and it is blended into the skin very well. Reminder that this unit does come with some natural 4C kinky edges. So you can either lay them down like baby hairs or you can just kind of push them back and they still keep that same texture. The wig does come straight like this out of the packaging. As I mentioned earlier, you see that you get some nice beautiful waves in there. Having a wave iron I think would be key to keep this style, or maybe doing a braid out with a little bit of product in it. When you take those braids out the next day, you probably would get like the same type of style, but it won't be as crinkly. But the crinkly look is a vibe. I love the short length of the wig as well. This is a 10-inch unit. I strictly wore it with the middle part. You do have closure space to work with, so you can make it into a side part if you would like, but I like how mine looks with the middle. I like the density of it. It's nice and full, especially with this style as well. So it makes it look super full. So this is what the unit will look like if you try to do like a little side part. I was curious to know what this would look like, but it's a little bit offsetting because of it being a blunt cut, so you want to keep that in mind. You probably would have to actually part it yourself and then you would have your side part, but I'm a middle part girly, so I left mine with the middle part. All key features and details on this unit will be in my description bar below, as well as a direct link to this exact wig. You can also shop their website and see the other type of styles and units that they offer. I feel like this would be real cute with like a all black type of vibe, or even just going somewhere real cute for dinner. This would be a real cute wig to put on. It's definitely in that beginner friendly category because it's one of those wigs that you can literally put on and take off. You don't have to sleep in this unit. Like I said, it's glueless. It has enough space in the back for you to make it fitting to your head. If you're on the smaller headed side or bigger headed side, I feel like it's going to work for you. It comes with that elastic band that is adjustable in the inside, some combs, so you'll always feel like your wig is secure and it won't be sliding all off your head. So definitely let me know what you guys rate it in the comment section. I'm giving it a 9 out of 10. Thank you to ILIKEHAIR for sending over today's unit. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.